Big news out of the nation's capital. The Supreme Court has handed down a number of decisions, including one on President Donald Trump's firing of Lisa Cook, whom former President Joe Biden had nominated to a 14-year term on the Federal Reserve's Board of Governors. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest details on this ruling from Washington.
In a series of decisions today, the Supreme Court delivering good news and bad news to President Trump, ruling that he cannot fire Federal Reserve Board member Lisa Cook, at least for now, leaving her in her post while she keeps challenging the allegations against her. The president can only remove a member for cause under the Federal Reserve Act. And when President Trump first tried to fire Cook, a Biden appointee, in August of last year, he accused her of mortgage fraud, which she strongly denies. Hanging over the case is President Trump's long-standing public pressure campaign to try to get the Fed to lower interest rates more rapidly, as well as his ability to exert control over bodies that are designed to be insulated from politics. And in a blow to that norm, the justices separately ruled today the president can fire Rebecca Slaughter, a member of the Federal Trade Commission, without cause, despite a 1914 law establishing FTC members can only be fired for reasons like inefficiency and neglecting their duties. That move raises questions for other independent federal agencies with similar restrictions on how people can be removed to guard from political pressure. While in another loss for President Trump, the Supreme Court refused to hear his appeal to overturn a jury's finding in a federal lawsuit that he sexually abused writer E. Jean Carroll in a department store dressing room back in 1996, and then later defamed her by calling her claims a hoax. The justice's decision leaves the 2023 verdict in place, along with a civil judgment saying he has to pay her $5 million. President Trump fiercely denies the allegations. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.